Is someone listening? Then you promised.
Good morning, good evening, buenos dias. Welcome to my channel Yasa2645. How are you? I am okay and my name is Yana. And today I want to show you how we will make one of my summer favorite dish, Spanish soup gazpacho. Let's start. This is the ingredients for gazpacho, and gazpacho no need to cook. It will be fresh summer cold soup. And let's start with these cucumbers. Beautiful green cucumbers. Cucumbers, but not in very small piece, in medium piece, because all of these vegetables going to the blender. This is the soup. Gazpacho will be almost vegetarian soup. But I'm not a vegetarian, but anyway, so from time to time I like to drink this sort of soup. And last cucumber. And now put cucumber somewhere here. Next, it will be tomato, and it will be same story. Not so small pieces, medium piece. We cut again, and this is the next. We have a yellow paper. It actually doesn't matter, you can have different color, you can use red. I just have which I buy from last night. It was very big serious preparation for this video cooking. And don't forget to clean this inside of paper. And again we cut this paper for a not so small piece, medium, because when we cook this summer soup, no need to spend too much time for cutting, because all this going to blender, how I told before. And last one, green. And now I'm in my garden and I'm trying to pick up some of my ingredients for the soup, which I have in my garden. This is all actually what I have in my garden, and this is the basil. It is important very ingredient will be in the soup. Next step, it will be blending. So we start to put cucumbers little, half a tomato. We can blending step by step. Pepper. Mint, basil. Now we can put little salt, not too much, just like this. This is the sea salt I use for this, and we start to blend. Now more active. And you can see first part is all ready. This is like this becomes mixture. We can put in this pan. And another step, important step in this recipe, we put again, but not too much, vegetables in blender. Little bit pepper, like this, maybe a little bit more. Tomato. And this is the important moment. Now we blending, but for little bit larger pieces, not like must be consistency puree. It must be little large piece, because when we eat this soup, we must feel what we eat and chew some vegetables like this. Nom, 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 nom. So let's start. Little bit more. Now I check. I think a little more. Yes, it is ready. So you can see different between this and this consistent. But this consistent with a larger piece must be just little part of our soup. So this is my tomato juice. Don't forget about this. We put tomato juice on the top of this, like this, like this. I think it is enough. Plus we put sea salt, half a teaspoon, I think, or how you like, I don't know. And olive oil, we put not too much, just also how you like. And last ingredients, it is lemon juice, half a lemon juice. Here is the lemon juice. You can see by now what happened. I think I did it a little bit too much. We mixing this now in blender, just a little, 30 seconds maybe, and we put to the fridge for 2-3 hours, so our soup gazpacho becomes colder.
And you run away. Are you thinking of me when you fuck her? Does she know you were supposed to love me till you die? Almost.
I think it is enough. Now we can mix this by spoon, like this. And of course I must try this. Believe me, it is very good, very tasty. I think I can stop now video, this all. Now our soup is ready. I didn't put water inside soup. Here is just natural ingredients, vegetables, green things, lemon juice and olive oil and salt. So when we all this mix, we put in a saucepan, and from now I put for 3 hours to the fridge. Our soup become cold, and later you can serve this soup immediately on the table. You can serve with some toast and some olive oil. You can put few drops of sauce Tabasco. It will give some piquant taste of this dish. And remember, this is soup not boiled at all. Because of this not soup boiled, here is many vitamins, minerals, microelements, and this soup very good, important things after party. After party, when you wake up in the morning, feel so no well, maybe you can have somebody who is cooking for you this nice soup. It is very easy, just 20-25 minutes and soup is ready. Ask your girlfriend, she can watch my video, and after this she can cook for you. See you.
Are you out of my path? Been wasting too much time trying to leave you from behind.